बांबोळीच्या गोय वैजकीय महाविद्यालयाच्या आपत्कालीन विभागातल्या ड्युटी रूमाचे फोटो आणि व्हिडिओ सोशल मीडियातल्यान मुखार आयले, जातूंत सिलिंग कोसळपाची घडणूक उक्ताडार येयली। गेल्या वर्सा पावसात हीच घडणूक घडिल्ली आणि ओनू लेगीत तीच परिस्थिती आशिल्ल्यान साबार प्रश्न निर्माण जाल्यात। पळयात सुभाशीश गोवेकाराचो रिपोर्ट।
The Goa Medical College, Goa's premier hospital and the one that sustains all critical cases here in the state, from ministers to MLAs to even the common man with a simple cough and cold are treated here at GMC. However, the kind of conditions that doctors work here in has become questionable. Now, over the past few days, social media has been rife over a roof or a false ceiling collapse that has taken place in the casualty staff room. Now, a similar incident occurred last year during the monsoons, and this year as well during the monsoons, a similar incident has occurred. Now, this issue has been highlighted by a few people from within the Goa Medical College who have voiced it out on social media, as well as a few politicians who have now brought it out to light. Now, we questioned the dean of the Goa Medical College, and he says that he is unaware on the situation. However, there are videos of this doing rounds on social medias, and there are students who are voicing their complaints. I mean, doctors and also a few politicians. Now, it is to be seen what exactly steps does the Goa Medical College take, and whether this is a repeated issue that doctors have to deal with while dealing with patients, and also similar incidents that occurred at the Goa Medical College, that is pressure from their higher authorities, the political circles, as well as people who are coming here with their common diseases, basically the common man.
मजगती हे विषय आपल्याक कांयच खबर नाशिल्ल्याचे जीएमसीचो डीन शिवानंद बांदेकरान सांगले।
I think this was some time back and it is already repaired, no, Rajesh? It is already repaired. There was some soakage of false ceiling and it has...
No, this now is saying that they are saying that this has happened for the second time, and last year was one incident and it had happened in the past 2 days. So, are you aware of any such thing?
No, I am not aware. I'm sorry, I am not aware of it.
भाजपाक कोणाचे पडिल्ले ना। भाजप सत्तेर येवपाक जाय हाकाच ते प्राधान्य दितात, अशें म्हणत आप फुडारी फ्रांसिस्को कुएलोन सरकाराक उजरावन काडले।
This is the systemic problem that I was talking about. See, if you look at, like, you're talking about one roof collapsing in the staff quarters or where the doctors are supposed to be resting. But if you look at this entire problem with Vishwajit also, the problem is that Vishwajit as a minister and the BJP government has done sweet nothing to ensure that the casualty has less stress, that the casualty has less pressure. The casualty ward has so much of pressure. There is one ambulance coming there every 3 minutes by clockwork precision. Okay, the casualty department is so overworked that they can't do anything. The minister, the BJP government, the chief minister should have done something to ensure that primary health centers across Goa are equipped and they take on that load. From a small ant bite to a small snake bite to anything is sent to GMC. Instead of addressing that and making the system work better, what they do is they just ensure that when somebody calls them up to make that person, to do that person a favor, they ensure that this VIP culture percolates all across. So when their job gets done and their people's job gets done, they care about that. The rest of Goa be damned. The same thing is the case with this ceiling that has collapsed. The minister doesn't care about ceilings collapsing. The minister doesn't care about the fact that the toilets are in shambles. The minister does not care about the fact that half the equipment is not working in GMC. He doesn't care about all of that. He cares about his ego. He cares about how to make a show about, like, how his power is very strong. He cares about his seat, his power, and that's about it. The real reason why people like him get elected is to care about Goans, to care about the facilities for Goa, to care about our medical complexes. But our ministers and the BJP government doesn't care a damn about that. What they care about is their own power. So roofs will collapse, they'll keep collapsing, trees will fall, people will die. All that be damned. The BJP has to remain in power and that's all that they care about.
गोवा 365 खातीर सुभाशीश गोवेकार, डायलन रॉड्रिगेस, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।